Ready to unlock Zillow's hidden potential for wholesale real estate gold. First, ditch the generic search, head to Zillow.com and instead of typing in the city, click the Buy tab, then refine your search using the filters. Click for sale and select all so we see every listing possible under price. Set your maximum based on your target market's distressed property values, don't go to high. Next, set your minimum beds and baths. It is important to not go below 1 bed and 1 bath as those are not usually residential homes. Now click more. Here's where the magic happens. Set days on Zillow to 90. These properties might be overlooked. Select listing type and include foreclosures. Next, enter keywords like needs TLC, handyman special, fixer upper, and motivated seller in the keyword search. Each of these indicate a distressed property. Zoom in on your target area and analyze the results. Focus on properties with descriptions matching our keywords. Click on promising listings. Scrutinize the price history. A steady decline suggests a motivated seller. Also, check the property taxes. High taxes on a vacant property can add to the seller's urgency. Finally, estimate the after repair value, or ARV, by comparing the property to recently sold, renovated homes in the area. Factor in repair costs to determine your potential wholesale profit. That's it. By using these search methods and analysis techniques, you'll be finding off-market wholesale deals on Zillow in no time. Subscribe for more real estate tips.